My name is Lilish. I am going to show you how to crochet this adorable pencils keychain. Perfect for back to school, teacher gift, or just something cute for your bag. They are beginner friendly, fun to customize, and guaranteed to make someone smile. Grab your yarn and let's get started. Round 1. Make a magic ring with 8 single crochet. Round 2, 8 increases, total of 16 stitches, 2 stitches per stitch from prior round. Round 3, 1 increase. Round 3, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. We're going to repeat that 8 times, a total of 24 stitches. Round 4, back loop only. Make 24 single crochet in the back loop only. Round 5 and 6, 24 single crochet, 1 stitch per stitch all around for the next 2 rounds. For round 7, work in the back loop only, 24 single crochet all around. Using a smaller hook, 3.0 mm, we're going to make 2 eyes. Make a magic ring and crochet 10 single crochet inside the magic ring. Position and secure the eyes. For rounds 8 through 13, we're going to make 24 single crochet, 1 stitch per stitch for all of these rounds. We're now ready to put some stuffing. So we change colors. With the blue, let's make 24 stitches in the back loop only. For round 15, we're going to start decreasing. Start with 2 single crochet, 1 invisible decrease. We're going to repeat that times 6, which will end it up with 18 stitches in total. For round 16, we're going to start by making 4 single crochet, 1 invisible decrease, and we're going to repeat that pattern times 3 for a total of 15 stitches around. For round 17, we're going to make 3 single crochet, 1 invisible decrease, and we're going to repeat that times 3 with a total of 12 stitches in total. For round 18, make 2 single crochet, 1 invisible decrease, times 3, and we're going to have a total of 9 stitches. For the last round, we're going to use 3.0 mm hook. We're going to change colors. Use your preferred color for the tip. And we're going to do round, which is round 19, 4 invisible decrease, 1 single crochet. Give us a total of 5 stitches. For the last step, I am going to chain 40. Leave a little tail for attachment. You can put it in the center or you can put it on the side. So your choice, or you can put it in the tip right here like this one. So let's go ahead and finish this one. I am going to do this one in here in the center. Let's go ahead and this one. Now we're going to attach it here.